Good morning, dear kids. Today we'll be taking our new topic, that is changing the subject of a formula. For example, if you have 3x plus 1 is equal to 12. So what do we do when we want the value of x? We put your x here, 12 here. This 1 will go this side and it will become subtraction. So 12 minus 1 upon 3, that is 11 upon 3. So in that way I got the value of x. But here in this case I'll be giving you a formula and you have to make the subject. For example, I am giving you mx plus b is equal to a. And I want x as a subject. So what I'll be doing is, let mx be here, a, and this b will go into subtraction. Let x be here, a minus b, and this m will go into division. So my formula for x is a minus b upon m. This is how I have made x as a subject. Shall we start? Problem number 1. You have to make x as a subject in all. Number 1. N square plus x is equal to 2, t. So that is x is equal to t minus n square. Number 2, x minus t is equal to a plus b. So that is x is equal to a plus b upon d. Actually, the standard form of doing such kind of problem is this, that if your d is there, if you want to take out d from here, so you have to write, suppose your problem is this. So you have to write add d on both sides. So that will be x minus d plus d is equal to a plus b plus d. So I have added d on both sides. So in this way d and d here minus plus is eliminated. So my answer is x is equal to a plus b plus d. Clear? Either this method or this method, both will be accepted. Number 3, we have f square is equal to x minus b square. Keep your x here. This b square with x has to be eliminated. So what you can do is take this b minus b square here as plus b square. So value of x is f square plus b square. Problem number 4, which is x y minus a is equal to e. So x is equal to e upon y minus a. Problem number 5, that is Lx is equal to n minus r square. You want x here alone, so n minus r square, and this L which is in multiplication here will go into division. Now you have to make y as a subject. So if I have hy plus n here is equal to a. So you have to make y as a subject. So first you have to open the bracket. So it becomes hy plus hn is equal to a. Let hy be here, a, this will go here into minus, that is minus hn. Let y be here and it will be a minus hn upon h. And that will be the formula for y. Problem number 2. J is equal to my plus c. You have to make y as a subject. So j minus c is equal to my and y is equal to j minus c upon m. So this m will go here into division. Problem number 3. Qy plus n is equal to s minus t. You want to make y as a subject, keep qy here, s minus t minus n, y is equal to s minus t minus n, and this q will go into division. Next is 4th, a y plus b is equal to C. You have to make y as a subject. First open the bracket, so it will be AY plus AB is equal to C. My dear kids, you want y as a subject, so you want to take out this. See the standard form as per your books, as per your sheets which you have PDF, send the PDF to me. According to that, you have to take the elimination method. That means the one you want to eliminate on both sides, that you have to do. Like for example, AY plus AB is equal to C. So I don't want AB here, so I will write subtract AB on both sides. So it will be AY plus AB minus AB is equal to C minus AB. So I have subtracted on both sides. So this will be eliminated because they have opposite signs. And here AY is equal to C minus AB. Now I want to eliminate A from here. So A is in multiplication. So I will write divide A on both sides. So it will be AY upon A is equal to C minus AB upon A. So you can eliminate A here. So only Y will be remaining. So that's your answer for Y. Problem number 5. G is equal to M bracket Y plus N. Here also first you have to open the bracket and you have to make Y as a subject. So Mn you have to eliminate from here. So you will write subtract Mn on both sides. So it will be G minus Mn here, and on right hand side also minus Mn. So this plus Mn minus Mn is eliminated. So it is G minus Mn is equal to My. Now I want to eliminate M. M is in relation of multiplication with Y. So we have to do divide M on both sides. So once it get divided, it will get eliminated. So G minus Mn upon M is equal to My upon M. So your answer is something like this. Y is equal to G minus Mn upon M. Clear? Next is you have to make A as a subject in all. So first is A upon N is equal to R. So that will be A is equal to Rn. We directly go, we just take N on both, N over there into multiplication. But as per your standard forms of doing this, you have A upon N is equal to R. You want to eliminate N from this side. How can we eliminate? We can eliminate it by multiplying N on both sides. So you will write multiply N on both sides. So that will be A upon N into N is equal to R into N. So here N is eliminated. So A is equal to Rn. In both the cases, answer will be same. Only the way of doing it is little different. Problem number 2. ZA minus M upon Q is equal to T. This Q will go that side. So ZA minus M is equal to QT. And we want A as a subject, so QT, and this minus M will go here as plus M. A will be here, QT plus M will be here, and this Z which is in multiplication will go here into division. So that's your answer. But to do it in standard form, I'll do and show it to you. You can use any method. ZA minus M upon Q is equal to T. First we have to eliminate Q from here. How you can eliminate? So you will write multiply Q on both sides. So it will be ZA minus M upon Q into Q is equal to T into Q. So Q is eliminated. So your answer is ZA minus M is equal to TQ. Now you want to eliminate M. So you will write add M on both sides. You have to do the opposite operation. If it is minus M, you have to do add M on both sides. So it will be ZA minus M plus M is equal to TQ plus M. So M is eliminated. So your answer, half answer is ZA TQ plus M. Now I want to eliminate Z which is in relation of multiplication with A. So how I can eliminate? I can eliminate by dividing z on both sides. So it will be ZA upon Z is equal to TQ plus M upon Z. This way Z is eliminated and your A is alone being a subject. Is that clear? So that was your problem number 2. I'll jump on to problem number 3. H minus FA upon B is equal to X. You have to make subject A. So H minus FAB here is equal to X. This B will go here into multiplication. H minus FA is equal to XB. This plus H will go here into minus H. Now minus F here in multiplication will go into division here on this side. My dear kids, as we all know, as per the standard rules of writing a fraction, there should not be a negative denominator. So this minus sign is transposed up to the numerator. If you want to open the bracket, you have to open and change the inside sign. So your final answer will be something like this. Problem number 4. M A plus B upon N is equal to T. You have to make A as a subject. So first open up the brackets if you want. Now you want A, you want to take this N over here on the right hand side, transpose. This is a transposed method which we can directly do it, but as per your schools you have to do the lengthy method, like you have to write your multiply N on both sides, so that N is eliminated from the left hand side. So we will write MA plus MB upon N into N is equal to T into N. So N is eliminated here. Now your answer is MA plus MB is equal to Tn. Now you want to eliminate what? You want to eliminate MB, which is in addition here. So you will write subtract MB on both sides. Getting my point clear? So it will be MA plus MB minus MB is equal to Tn minus MB. So this is eliminated. So your answer is MA is equal to Tn minus NB. Now what you have to do, you have to take this M from here. M is in multiplication. So how you can eliminate M? Divide M on both sides. So it will be MA upon M is equal to Tn minus NB upon M. So the M is eliminated and your final answer is here. Is that clear? So that was your 4th. If you want to note it down. I'll jump on to 5th. And it says R is equal to V square minus RA. So we want to make A as a subject. So what you will do, you want to take this V square here. You have to take it into subtraction. So you will write subtract V square on both sides. So it will be R is equal to V square minus V square here also. R minus V square minus RA. So V square is eliminated and V square is transposed onto the left hand side. You want A here. So this is minus R, which is in multiplication with A. If you want to eliminate this, you can write divide minus R on both sides. So it will be R minus V square upon minus R is equal to minus R of A upon minus R. So this is eliminated and you got A as your answer. A as a subject. And as I said, you cannot keep your negativity into your denominator. So you have to shift this negative sign up and it will be something like this. And you can also open the bracket changing inside the sign. So you got the value of A. If you want to note it down. Okay dear kids, you have to complete these 15 problems of my video. God bless.